Hey everyone. Today, I will be shooting a video about abandoned yachts in Germany. In my previous films, I've already shown an abandoned car and an abandoned boat. Now, in our review, we will be focusing on a yacht. Of course, it is not as extravagant as Abramovich's yacht. It is quite modest, but still worth exploring and capturing on film for our audience to enjoy. Even on such a yacht, you can ride along the Moscow River, take beautiful girls for a ride, and show that you are a person of wealth. The yacht is currently situated here, left behind and abandoned for about 5 years. It is not being used or utilized in any way. In this location, you can clearly see that every surface is already completely covered with a thick layer of vibrant green moss. The object in question is approximately 5 meters long, which can be considered quite substantial. This measurement provides valuable insight into the scale and size of the object, indicating that it is not insignificant. The 5-meter length contributes significantly to the overall characteristics and dimensions of the object, making it notable and worthy of attention. Now, let's attempt to look inside together and see what's there. That's the visual representation of the interior. We're grateful for the opportunity to witness this, and it's all thanks to the fact that we have the chance to explore and observe the inner workings of this entity. We appreciate your cooperation and collaboration in this endeavor. Your participation is invaluable as we delve into the depths of what lies within. The salon, protected by a canopy from the top from the influence of the environment, has remained in relatively good condition. It can be launched into the water and used for its intended purpose as early as tomorrow. At this moment, she is positioned on the trailer, which serves as her current location. The trailer provides a secure and convenient place for her to be situated. It is worth noting that she is not elsewhere, but specifically on the trailer. This information is important for understanding her whereabouts and ensuring that she is easily accessible when needed. Here is a forgotten, abandoned yacht like this one. Honestly, I've never seen such abandoned boats before. They're huge and in such a condition, and deep down I feel sorry for them, because it's truly a shame. These boats have so much potential. They can be used for their intended purpose, bringing joy and fulfillment to life. It's a missed opportunity to see them in this state when they could have been a source of happiness. I can't help but feel a sense of regret, knowing that these boats could have been enjoyed and cherished. So, my dear friends, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and see you in the next video. If you have encountered any similar abandoned things somewhere, please write about it in the comments, as it will be truly interesting to read. Bye for now, and take care. See you soon.